In the dynamic world of California healthcare, continuous learning is essential. For medical professionals, maintaining current basic life support and CPR certifications for both adults and pediatrics isn't just a requirement. It's a testament to your commitment to excellence and meeting the robust safety standards enforced by Cal OSHA. Blue Ocean Safety offers the next level in your professional development. We provide rigorous yet accessible individual training courses for basic life support and comprehensive CPR, specifically designed for healthcare providers who demand the best and need to ensure their credentials support their workplace's Cal OSHA compliance. Our programs delve deep into the critical algorithms and practical applications necessary for managing cardiac arrest and other life-threatening emergencies across all age groups. You'll gain mastery in team dynamics during resuscitation, effective use of an AED, and specialized techniques for infant, child, and adult CPR, all skills vital for adhering to strict Cal OSHA workplace safety guidelines. We understand your time is valuable. That's why we offer a range of training options, including convenient blended learning courses that allow you to complete coursework online at your own pace, followed by an efficient, hands-on skills session with our certified instructors. Our certifications are American Heart Association and meet AHA guidelines, ensuring they are nationally recognized and meet your professional needs, including your employer's Cal OSHA recertification requirements. Invest in yourself. Invest in your patients. Choose Blue Ocean Safety for your next BLS and CPR certification, because when every second counts, your expertise, backed by Cal OSHA-recognized certifications, makes all the difference. Ready for your next essential certification and to reinforce your Cal OSHA preparedness? Visit the link to enroll in our BLS and pediatric and adult CPR courses today. Your patients and your workplace depend on it.